Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Capricorn, and this is going to be a general reading, and this is going to be a weekly reading from the 21st to the 27th of September 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everybody. If it does, well, good. If it doesn't, please take only the positive, leave the negatives, all right? And you can also follow me now on Instagram and in Facebook, all right? Now let's start your reading. And guys, thank you for subscribing. If those who have subscribed, thank you so much. Those who haven't, please do so. And it will mean a lot to me. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Now let's start your reading. Capricorn, messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Temple path. Looks like this is a spiritual path you are taking. This clearly means that you are being guided by your divine. This also means that you are exactly where you're supposed to be. This means that you are on the path which has been guided and which have been set out for you. So you are on the correct path, alright? Messages. Messages, please. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn from the 21st to the 27th. Envy. So this card clearly says that you might not be happy with what you have or where you are, and you might be thinking about, you know, um, comparing yourself with somebody else, which is definitely not good here. So I really feel that everybody has our own things, right? So I really feel that you have everything you need in your hands and you're hoping for something much better. But this one is not a good sign, right? This is not a good feeling, a good thought here. So you need to be you need to be grateful for what you have here, alright? So whatever has to happen will happen, and I really feel that you are being guided, so you don't have to worry about anything, okay? Now messages for Capricorn, please. What are the messages for Capricorn from the 21st to the 27th of September? Messages from the 21st to the 27th of September. Thank you. Messages for Capricorn from the 21st to the 27th of September. Messages for the 21st to the from the 21st to the 27th of September, please. Okay, what are the messages for Capricorn? Woman holding a heart here. There is a new love opportunity coming your way. Alright, this might be a new person or an old person coming back into your life. Okay, this was supposed to come out. Alright. Indecision. So you're not sure about this, or you might be stuck in a situation where you have multiple options or you do not know which road to take here. Alright. Now let's get into your Moonology cards. Alright. Now guys, after I finish this, I'll be starting the next week readings, then monthlies. So watch out for this space. Alright. And those who haven't subscribed, those who are watching and not subscribed, please guys, please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Alright, now let's see. Messages for Capricorn from the 21st to the 27th of September. Okay, this has been coming out regularly in readings. Confidence is your key to success. So this means that you are confident or you need to move ahead with confidence. Alright, so there is success if you are being confident about things, you are sure about things, and move forward, and there will be success. Alright. New moon in Leo. You might be thinking about a Leo, or you have Leo in your chart, right? Strong. I really feel like you're being very strong in a situation here. You're being very confident as well. You know that you can achieve something here. Alright. Or you might feel that you know that this is the right path for you. You're being confident about how you're moving forward and what you're doing here, right? Or you might be even confident about an outcome or even a person here, alright? Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn from the 21st to the 27th of September, please. Can you please help me get clear, accurate messages for Capricorn? Clear, accurate messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. You are very close to achieving your goal. Beautiful. So confidence and the next card, they are like linked, right? You're very close to achieving your goal. So with confidence, you're moving ahead and you're moving towards successful and successful career, or your relationship, or whatever the situation is. So I really feel that there is success here. Messages for Capricorn, please. Any more messages for Capricorn? Communication is key. So if you feel that there is a lack of communication, I think that you need to focus on that. New moon in Gemini. So I really feel that we have two new moon cards here. Now I really feel that there is communication, which is a main factor here. I really feel that you need to work on how to communicate with somebody, because the energy is gaining momentum, which means that you're moving towards a whole new cycle here. All right, waxing moon. So whatever you are doing, you have the confidence, and you know that you are moving in the right direction. There is an option. There is an opportunity where you are finishing it, and you're being successful here. But the main concern is communication. I really feel that there is a lack of communication, or you need to communicate properly, which will move you propel forward with the energy. Actually, the energy is gaining momentum, which means that it's speeding up, right? It's picking up speed. So I really feel that you need to use your communication skills here. All right. All the best, guys. Now let's get some tarot. Let's get more clarity into your situation. Messages for Capricorn, please. Please give me clear, accurate messages for Capricorn from the 21st to the 27th of September 2020. Oh wow. So what's happening? Right. We have the wheel here. Completion of a cycle, starting and coming to the same point, which means that you might be having changes in your life currently. You might be noticing certain changes in your life. Alright. This means that completion of a cycle, there are changes here, there are movement here. We have the movement here, right? There is an ending here. Now we have the Three of Wands. You are starting on a new journey. This might be waiting for somebody to return, or might be expecting some kind of an opportunity here, or you might be thinking of starting off your own venture or something here with the Three of Wands here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Let's see. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? We have Five of Cups. Looks like there was some kind of a loss, pain, sadness, or some kind of a regret here. Okay, I really feel that you might be stepping into a phase where you feel that you have lost something, or you might feel this might have happened before, but you're feeling that a pain or regret right now. Or people go through loss and grief process in a totally different way. So you might be realizing this now. I really feel that this might have happened some time before, because we had the wheel here, which means that there was an ending, alright, or you might be coming to an ending of the cycle here. And there is forward movement. You're moving towards something new here with the Three of Wands. And with the Five of Cups, I really feel that you're stepping into something, or you might be grieving a loss of somebody here, or it might be a relationship or a job or something. Alright, take it as it resonates. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? What are the messages for Capricorn? Messages for Capricorn. We have the Lovers here. So it looks like there was an ending with a love situation here. That's what I'm feeling. So I really feel that there was an ending here, or I really feel that there was some kind of a conflict happened here, which made you separate ways here. Gemini energy with the Lovers energy. You might feel that this is the one for you, or you might feel that this is your soulmate or your twin flame, or you might be meeting somebody new, right? We have the woman holding a heart here. So take it as it resonates, all right? Now let's see. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. Three of Fire, Three of Wands, again, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. This can mean that you're moving forward to a new opportunity or something new. You're passionate about something and you're moving towards to that situation, or a new job or a new love. Alright? This is something you're very passionate about. Yeah. Let's get more messages. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, please. Eight of Air. Somebody's stuck here with the Eight of Swords energy. This clearly says that there are thoughts. I feel that there are thoughts which is holding you back, or you might feel that you don't know which one to concentrate on. Your thoughts are completely oh my god, this is so much of distraction here. You are not sure. You might be tied up. You are not sure which one to focus right now, right? And then we have the Seven of Air here. Some kind of major conflict here, guys. You feel that you can't move on. You're thinking about something which might, somebody might have left you, or you might have left somebody. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Strength. Leo energy, right? So you're being strong about in a situation where you feel that somebody might have left you, or you might be feeling like there are thoughts which hasn't been processed properly, or there was lack of communication here which has led to some kind of a conflict or some kind of a separation here. Separation because we have the Five of Cups here, right? Let's see. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Messages for Capricorn, please. We have the Three of Air here. I told you there was a heartbreak here. So it looks like there was somebody might have walked out of a situation here, right? Somebody might feel that loss right now. I feel that this might have happened before because we have the world here. There was an ending. Somebody walked out of a situation here, and which meant like there was some kind of a closing of a cycle, or they might be started on something new, because ending of a cycle also indicate that there is a new cycle starting, right? And we have the Messenger of Air here. So much of air energy in your reading, guys. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. There is message coming towards you after this ending happened. So I really feel that they might be coming back to tell you how they think or feel about you. Clarity of thoughts. Somebody is bringing that clarity of thoughts back into your life. I really feel that there was the main factor. I really feel that is miscommunication here. There was communication issues here. Alright. Now let's see. Messages for Capricorn. Can I get one more message for Capricorn? Tower moment. There is a sudden change happening here. There's a huge shake up here, which means that there are things coming out into the open here. This might be sudden changes happening here. All right, like this row here. Look at that. Lover, strength, and tower. All right, let's see the overall outcome. Transformation, death energy, Scorpio. All right. So it looks like this is a period for you to transform yourself. Okay, this is the period where you find things, and there might be an ending. You're transforming yourself and into a new life here with the transformation energy, Scorpio energy here. All right, let's clarify the wheel. Clarify the wheel here. Why is the wheel here? Closing of a cycle and starting of another with the wheel energy. Why is the wheel here? Why is the wheel here? Clarify the wheel. Two of Cups, Nine of Wands, and the shadow side. All right. Looks like there was an ending of a love situation here, and somebody's not sure about how to move forward. Somebody's being stuck, and somebody is really addicted to this person, or the thought of them having you around you, or vice versa. Okay. You might feel that this is your soulmate twin flame connection here. I really feel that you know that this person is the one here. Okay. All right. There can be another scenario also, right? They might feel okay. This also indicate that there was an ending and there's a new person coming into your life most probably, and you might not be sure because you're still stuck into the past. Let's see, why is the Two of Cups here? Clarify the Two of Cups. That's a huge wake up call here. You might be realizing now that she or he might be your soulmate. Alright. Now let's see, Three of Wands here. I really feel that you're unable to move forward because you feel that you're not sure how to move forward, or there is some kind of an addiction you're going through, or you might feel that you are addicted to them. Okay, now let's see, Three of Wands here. Starting on a new journey, taking a leap of faith into a situation with the Fool card here. Three of Wands with the Fool. Clarify the Three of Wands with the Fool, please. Haha. Reconciliation, party, festivities. I really feel that there is some kind of an event happening. You might be meeting your friends, or you might be starting on something new. You might be starting on a new chapter of your life. Or this can also indicating somebody coming back into your life with the Three of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. And we have Aries here. Now, Five of Cups. What is this loss about? Five of Cups. Why is the Five of Cups? Yeah, clarify the Five of Cups. Clarify the Five of Cups, please. Why is the Five of Cups here? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Two of Pentacles. So somebody is juggling their thoughts here. Somebody is juggling multiple things here. They are trying to balance a situation here with the Two of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Because somebody has left the situation. Somebody walked away from a situation towards something new. With Eight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. So somebody might be stuck in a situation where you feel that you are trying to balance the situation because somebody walked out of your life, right? Now let's see, why is the Lovers here? Clarify. Knight of Swords here. So somebody is coming towards you, bringing some kind of clarity of thoughts, or a message coming towards you from an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, and we have the Lovers as Gemini also. So, and we have the Knight of Wands here. So multiple people here. Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So there are multiple messages coming towards you from two people here. This might be somebody is very passionate about you, alright? So I really feel that they might know that you have entered a situation here, and they might be coming in with their messages or something, alright? Two people is indicated, multiple people here. Now let's see, why is the Three of Fire here? Starting off a new journey, trying to move on to calmer waters. This can also mean that you are starting your life fresh. You might be starting on a business venture, or this can be about job or love life. Yeah, there's a contract being signed here with the Hierophant, Taurus energy. So I really feel that you're moving towards a new contract or a commitment here with the High Priest here. This can also be about, marriage or a divorce here, alright? This can also be about meeting the one, soulmate connection. So this contract is bringing some kind of balance into your life with the Libra energy, right? Justice being served, balance being restored here. Now let's see, why is the Eight of Air here? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Thank you. Eight of Air and Nine of Air. Somebody is unable to sleep at night, thoughts, anxiety. Yeah, Page of Swords. So much of air energy in your charts, in your reading, guys. So I really feel that somebody is trying to defend their actions here, or somebody is trying to make a decision to start over with the Ace of Wands here. They want to start on a new journey here with you. I really feel that they want to give it a fresh, they are deciding to come towards you, bringing a fresh start here, fresh passionate start with, yeah, they want to message you guys. Page of Cups. There is a sudden message coming out of the blue for you guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take it as it resonates. Now, Seven of Air. Seven of Swords is somebody who's trying to, think about, how to come towards you. Are they making plans here? Seven of Air is also about somebody sneaking behind your back, or somebody is trying to gather their thoughts here. This can be also about strategy, right? They can be, thinking about how to come towards you and how to make that move towards you with the Seven of Air here. So there are multiple thoughts going inside their head here. Yeah, they are still feeling that loss, that pain here. There might have been some kind of a fight here, right? There might have been some kind of a huge I really feel that there was some kind of a huge you might not be on the same page here. There might be some kind of you can't reach to a conclusion here. You might be still thinking about what has happened and why it has happened. It might be you, or it might be them. Seven of Air with the Five of Swords. Please clarify this Seven of Air with the Five of Swords. And somebody's moving on. Somebody's thinking of moving on with the Six of Swords here. So I really feel that with these thoughts here, they feel that they can't come back to you because there is no common ground here. And I really feel that they feel that there was so much of fight, so much of indecision here, so much of confusion here. So I really feel that they are moving on. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy again. Now somebody is being very strong here with the Strength card. The Five of Pentacles. So somebody might feel left out in the cold. It might be you, but you're putting on a brave front here, okay? With the Strength card, Leo energy. Five of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That's you. They might have left you. They are moving on. I really feel that you have been left out in the cold here. Now, why is the Strength with the Five of Pentacles? I really feel that you are putting on a brave face, or you're being very courageous here in this situation. And let's see, why is the Strength here with the Five of Pentacles? Strength with the Five of Pentacles. Clarify, please. Seven of Wands. You're competing. I really feel that you're trying to, stay on top of the situation by, putting on a brave face here. I really feel that really feel that there's some kind of competition here, or you might feel that this is the time where you need to, move away from that energy and fight towards bringing normalcy back into your life with the Seven of Wands. There is passion here, but you are being very passionate about something you really believe in here. And I really feel that you are giving it all here. Now let's see, are you going back to them? Let's see, Three of Air here. There's a heartbreak here. There is, what? Oh my god. The sun's here. Alright, so I really feel that there is some kind of awakening here in this heartbreak situation. I really feel that you might be coming back together. Yes, please. Yeah, there are changes. Sun and the moon coming together. You might be a divine, you might be in a divine partnership, guys. That is a divine male and a divine female here. The sun and the moon. So there is awakening that you are meant to be for each other. You are meant to be together. The sun and the moon. So there is awakening, there is new beginnings here, and there are changes coming towards you. You might even feel that there are things coming out into the open. You might be realizing things here, alright? Never had that that kind of a situation in my reading ever. Now let's see, why is the world here? Clarify the world. Ending and starting of something new. World. Clarify the world, please. Looks like a completion of a cycle here with the world card. Why is the world card here? Clarify the world. Why is the world here? Clarify the world, please. Seven of Swords. So somebody's spying on you, or somebody's cheating on you, or somebody might have gone behind your back, and somebody might have not even communicated properly with you. So that is coming to an end. And then we have the Queen of Pentacles, bringing stability and balance into your life, financial stability. So with this ending, I really feel that you're moving towards more stable energy here. Now, Messenger of Air here. Somebody is coming towards you, bringing that clarity of thoughts here. You might be in a relationship, or you might have had, been in a relationship with an Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini here. I really feel that they are recognizing what you are or what you both had, and they're coming back to bring that clarity into your life, alright? So this can also mean that somebody coming towards you, bringing a new opportunity into your life as well, alright? Now we have the Ace of Pentacles. This is the starting of something new for long lasting. I really feel that this is a seed being planted. Somebody is holding on to you. So I really feel that it might be you or it might be them. Somebody is not moving on from what has happened. The Four of Pentacles, I told you. Unable to move forward, feeling tied up here with the Eight of Swords here, which might be them most probably. Yeah. Now, Tower. Why is the Tower here? Sudden change. Page of Pentacles. There's new opportunity. Look at this. Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. So there is money coming into your life. There is new opportunities coming into your life, bringing stability and balance into your materialistic or money, alright, into your situation. This might be even a job, alright, a new project falling into your lap, maybe. Alright, this might be something new. I really feel that there's something new here, alright. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, that is for you. That's your energy now. Oh my god. Even when these things are happening, I really feel that you're feeling stuck here. You feel like you have everything in your hand, but you're feeling stuck. You're looking into the World Wide Web for answers. You might be stalking this person, or they might be. You're just looking. You're not acting on it. You're not responding to anything. You might be watching. You might be keeping a close eye on them with the Four of Swords here. Rest and rejuvenating. Let's clarify your outcome. Transformation. Clarify the transformation. please. Why is the transformation here? Death, Scorpio energy. Death, rebirth energy here. Why is the transformation here? So there's a sudden realization with the transformation energy, right? There is like moving on to something new. Ending of a cycle, ending of a huge cycle. Now let's see why is the transformation here. Clarify the transformation. Why is the transformation here? You're moving towards a new love here. New love offer coming your way with the Ace of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here. We have the woman holding a heart, so most probably you're moving towards something new. Alright, why? Okay. And Queen of Cups. Definitely Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, guys. So this might be somebody who is very loving and caring and who has, who's like very emotionally balanced kind of a person here, more mature energy. And Page of Wands. This might be a starting of something new. This person might be younger to you, or this might be bringing that playful nature back into your life. And then we have the Three of Wands here, starting on a new journey, right? And we have the Wheel of Year, which means that you're completing this cycle right now. That's beautiful. So I really feel that you're meeting somebody new here, alright, with the Ace of Cups, new love, true happiness, true love, happiness, like new beginnings in love. So this person might be younger to you, or you might be younger to you, and you are ready to start on this new fresh journey with this person, and you might be completing a cycle here. There is changes coming towards you guys for the last week of September. So guys, this is your reading for the last week of September, from the 21st to the 27th of September 2020. And guys, that brings us to the end of your reading. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.